welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick, easy and simple recipe for shrimp and garlic sauce. To get started, here I have some jumbo shrimp that I went ahead and washed in lemon juice. I also will be using some carrots and sugar snap peas. You can use whatever vegetables you like here. I also have some bell peppers, some onions. I'll be using dark sweet soy and light soy as well as oyster sauce. I have garlic and ginger, some cornstarch and black pepper. Let's jump right in. So let's start by seasoning the shrimp using some oyster sauce, black pepper and garlic powder. Super simple. We'll mix well and set aside. So now let's create our sauce. I did add a half cup of water to that bowl, and now we'll go in with all of the sauces. We'll also add the cornstarch that will be used as a thickener. We'll mix well and set aside. So to my preheated wok, I will now add the shrimp. And you want to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. We will give them a flip halfway through the process, allowing it to cook evenly on the other side. Once it's cooked thoroughly on both sides, we'll remove it and carry on with the next step. To the same pot, I went in with some canola oil, and now I'll add some sesame oil. We will now add all of the vegetables, give them a good mix, and then we'll add that black pepper and a bit of mushroom seasoning. Now if you don't have mushroom seasoning, just add a half teaspoon of salt. I just wanted to season the vegetables before we add the sauce in here. We'll allow this to go for about 5 minutes, allowing those vegetables to soften up nicely, and then we'll add our sauce. And after about 5 minutes, your vegetables should be nicely cooked. Now we'll go in with that sauce, give it about a minute or so to thicken up. It shouldn't take long. Once it thickens, we'll add that shrimp, give it a good toss, and that's it. It is done. It's that simple and easy to make this, guys. And it is so delicious, flavorful. Once you try it, you will be hooked. It's better than any takeout you could buy out there. Trust me. Now I will plate everything up and show you guys the finished product. So I did plate this up with some steamed jasmine rice, and it was to die for. Absolutely amazing. The shrimp is so delicious, guys. The flavors and all. Like, you don't need to add nothing else here. Some plain white rice and you're fine. I really do hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and bye bye.